How to charge and fix charging issues. Here's how. Open your Galaxy Watch 7 package to find a smaller box inside containing the Type-C charger. Locate a power outlet and connect the charger using a compatible wall adapter. Place your watch on the charger. It will attach magnetically and firmly. Ensure that the charger is plugged into power and the watch will begin charging immediately. To charge via phone, insert the Type-C connector into your phone's charging port. Your watch will start charging shortly. Note, you can't use reverse wireless charging due to a new heart rate sensor design. And if your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is not charging, let's fix it. Test your power source. Plug another device into the same outlet to ensure it's working. Confirm use of the original Samsung charger for reliability. Inspect charging accessories. Look for visible damage on the charging cable or dock. Replace if you see any breaks or wear. Clean charging contacts. Wipe the back of your watch and the dock to remove dust or debris that could interfere with charging. Position the watch correctly. Align the watch on the magnetic charging dock and look for the charging indicator light. Explore different charging methods. Use a wireless charger or wireless PowerShare if you have a compatible Samsung phone. Restart the watch. Press the home button and back button together until the Samsung logo appears. Check for software updates. Open Settings, then go to Software Update, and click Download and Install if needed. Perform a factory reset if needed. Contact customer support if still unresolved or consider warranty options. And that's it. Subscribe for more tech solutions.